How to make lentil soup in an instant pot. First, wash the lentils until the water is clear. Then after that, for each cup of lentils is 2 cups of water. So now everything is set now. I'm just going to close it. Yeah. So this is closed. And I'm just going to put it on. It's on. Okay, custom. That's fine because I know it's 6 minutes, 7 minutes. So I'm going to add another 1 minute to that. 1, so 7. And then I'm going to say here, start. To use saute function, and then I'm going to press custom and then decide how many minutes I need, and then I do that and then start after that. Now I'm adding the spices, salt, stock and garlic. Okay. Now, depending on your preference, you can add water if you like, or just leave it as it is. So I'm going to add a little bit of water. It's done now, it's finished. There's nothing really left to it. All done, it's now finished. I'm just going to come here and then say here, cancel. There you go. So it's done now. Yeah. Of course. Oh, it's finished. Okay.